Hello everyone, welcome back to Siddhant CodeVerse. If you are trying to get a tech job in 2026 by using someone's advice from few years ago, then you are already behind it. Because degree don't guarantee a tech job, online certificate don't impress recruiters. But here is the truth: most of people won't tell you. In 2026 is not bad time, but it's a filtering time. Because if you understand how the filter works, you don't need a log, you need a strategy. So let's get started. Here is the some sections I was divided into uh, different topics. Here is the first section: the new reality of tech hiring. The tech industry has changed permanently. Companies are linear, teams are smaller, and every hire is expected to continue almost immediately. So this means hiring managers are no longer asking, does this person has potential? They are asking, can this person can solve real life problems? That's why resume full of posts fail. That's why generic portfolio are ignored, and that's why most applicants never hear back. In 2026, tech hiring is not about qualified; it's about the obviously useful. Now, going to next section, that is stop chasing a tech job. One of the biggest mistake people make is saying want a tech job. That phrase meaning nothing because company don't hire tech people. They are hiring problem solver in specific roles: backend engineer, data engineer, cloud specialist, security engineer, product focused developer. That's many more. The more vague your goal is, the harder it is for anyone to hire you. Specificity creates clarity. Clarity creates opportunity. If a recruiter can't immediately understand where you fit, you don't fit. Going to next section, that is AI changed the rules. Let's talk about the artificial intelligence. AI is not replacing engineers. It is replacing engineers who don't understand their own work. In 2026, AI is assumed everyone used it. What company care about is how you use it. Can you verify output? Can you explain decision? Can you tell when AI is wrong? If you write your code and you can't explain why it is work, you are liability. If AI helps you think faster, build better, and make smarter trade-off, you are an asset. The difference is everything. Now, let's take out section 4, that is proof beats credential. In 2026, your portfolio matters more than your resume. And not just any portfolio, tutorial projects don't count, clones don't count, beginners app don't count. What's count is proof that you can identify a problem, proof that you can design a solution, proof that you can ship something real. Two or three strong projects and that solve real problems will outperform any certificates. So because companies don't hire learner, they hire builders. Now let's talk about section 5, that is how hiring actually works. Most people never see how hiring really works. First, your resume is scanned by software, then skimmed by a recruiter, often for less than 10 seconds. Yeah, if you nothing stand out, the process and there. If something stand out, a hiring manager looks for one thing: evidence that you can reduce their workload. Not passion, not effort, impact. If your experience does not clearly show that, no interview happens. Now let's take out section 6. That is visibility is the new networking. So networking in 2026 does not look like asking for a favor. It looks like visibility, sharing what you building, talking about problem you are solved, explain lesson you are learned. And when you do this consistently, people don't see you as a stranger, they see you as someone already in this field. And familiarity builds trust, uh, often before the interview even begins. Now let's talk about the final section, that is the winning mindset. Here is the mindset that separate people who make it from people who keep writing. Stop asking, am I ready? Start asking, would I hire me for this role today? Act like an engineer before the title arises. Build before permission. Think in outcomes, not efforts. Because in 2026, companies don't hire potential, they hire momentum. Overall, the path into tech is not closed, it's just narrower. And if you are walking into with intention, a skill and proof, there has never been a better time it to stand out. So these are new techniques for getting a tech job in 2026. So if you like, then subscribe. See you next one.